Hear me out real quick.
I
don't give a damn. No, I don't give a fuck no more. Cannot be public or slick anymore. I don't lie if you ain't a copy, you little stupid little fucking hoe. Unless I'm following your crap, making you think I'm dumb and pay you on the low. Yeah, just to show game like a professional. Just know, cause you thought you could lie to me, but you can't. Easy, no, not to me. Stupid little hoe, you is too slow. Stupid. You's a sexy female, yeah, but you stupid. I don't know about the other side,
no.
and I seen you cause I got in love with your little smile.
Ooh, yeah, girl, you is wild. So I'ma see what's up with you for a while.
Cause most of the things I knew before you even did it, but I will lie to you. I will do the same you do and see how long it takes you to know. Sorry, not sorry, boo. Fuck that, and the way it's a fuck you. We can die and you will never know. You never knew, but remember you did to me the same thing. So I found out investigating you. Investigating you. You lied and didn't confess it, so I copied you on the side, but we ain't equal, so you didn't find out. Peekaboo, sorry not sorry boo, just like you do, just like you did to me. Ho, you is not my boo anymore. Yeah, cause you is a little stupid hoe, not my fault. You was dumb, unthinkable, and I thought I was like the rest, but nah, that's you, stupid little hoe. You are like the rest. Play with me, I don't give a fuck, I impressed. I'ma end up with the last laugh. Yeah, I was real, live it to my heart. Out, yeah, like the squirrel. I'm the teacher on the higher bands, showing you what you couldn't do. For real, I be loving you, but guess what? If you play with me, I'ma start dissing you, and you will right away feel the cold from my heart. Peekaboo, sorry not sorry boo.